Meantime, the opposition spokesman on justice, Senator Donna Scott-Mottley, says to date there has been no clear communication to Parliament or the public about who the individual operating in the capacity of political ombudsman within the Electoral Commission of Jamaica is.
While the minister now suggests someone is in place, our understanding is that no such formal appointment had been made until very recently, if at all. What we are witnessing is yet another attempt by this administration to force a square peg into a round hole in order to suit their own political purposes. The ECJ may be receiving complaints, but no one can say with confidence what investigatory framework exists, what standards are being applied, or whether complainants, ourselves included, can expect any resolution.
Educate.